What's up, guys? Here at Stage 3, we're going to be bringing you some more giveaways over the next couple months, but we have one giveaway that we're starting right now, and that's going to be to win a Falcon Suspension system for your 15 to 18 F150. Now, this kit is going to be just like what we have on our blue F150 behind me that we've been testing, did an install on, and we've been running it around in the dirt. So this will be a really good upgrade if you're looking to get a nice off-roady suspension on your truck. Now, in order to enter for this giveaway, it is going to require that you enter your email in. So if you haven't entered your email for our newsletter, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the giveaways page on our site, enter your email in that little widget, and that'll go ahead and punch you in for the giveaway. Now, if you already have given your email to us for the newsletter and you're receiving our emails every month, you'll want to go ahead and still go to the giveaway page and still enter your email, because that's going to act as your ticket. And even if you're already subscribed to us, it won't automatically enter you unless you do this. Now, outside of entering your email, there is actually ways to get more points added to your name so you can actually bolster your chances of winning the suspension kit. The first way is if you go on Instagram and you follow our Instagram page at Stage 3 Motorsports, and then also enter your handle in that same giveaways page, that'll go ahead and add 4 more points to your name for that giveaway. The next way you can gain another 4 points is by going to our YouTube page and hitting subscribe for the Stage 3 Motorsports YouTube channel, and then also entering your YouTube channel name into that giveaway widget, so that way it tacks it to your name. And finally, the last way is to go onto our Facebook and make sure you follow us there at the Stage 3 Motorsports Facebook page, and you'll also get some other updates and things on our page for sales and stuff that's going on around the shop. So now that you guys know how to enter and get points for the giveaway, you should know that this is starting September 1st and it's going to end September 30th. So you've got a 30-day window there to go ahead and get yourself entered and try and get as many points as possible. And then on October 1st, we will select one winner for this giveaway. Now, if we select you and we contact you, you'll have 48 hours to actually respond to confirm that you want the stuff that we're giving away. And if you don't respond, we will randomly select somebody else. So definitely make sure that you get back to us once we tell you that you've won. So guys, go ahead and make sure you get entered so you don't miss out on this awesome giveaway. And we're also going to be throwing in some Stage 3 swag with that as well. You'll get a shirt, backpack, a couple different things thrown in there, which is really cool, on top of this great suspension package. And I'll see you guys next time.